Hey everyone, Will from All Electric back again with another video, and today we're going to go over every single thing you need to know about Tesla's new Cybertruck. In this video, we're going to discuss pricing and range, what we didn't know about the Cybertruck, insights from other reviews that we've seen posted today, overall impressions, and we're going to figure out if you should still buy one. A lot to cover in this video, so let's jump right in. Okay, let's first start with the pricing and the range, which are two features that are most important to EV drivers. The Cybertruck comes in three variations. Two are available now, the dual motor and the tri-motor, with the rear-wheel drive variant coming in 2025. However, the dual motor comes in at a steeper price, about $30,000 more than its initial unveiling. So listed on Tesla's website, the estimated all-wheel drive price is $79,990 or $80,000. And what that gets you is 340 miles of range. That's a 4.1 second 0 to 60. Plenty of speed and plenty of power for almost everybody. Now, if you want more speed and power, but a little bit less range, you can upgrade to the $100,000 or $99,990, $10 less than $100,000. You can upgrade to the Cyber Beast. That is the tri-motor version, and that comes with an estimated 320 miles of range with a 2.6 second 0 to 60. Ridiculous. The Cyber Beast also comes with 245 more horsepower than the all-wheel drive variant of the Cybertruck. Now, the 320 miles of range was significantly less than what we were expecting in terms of the tri-motor range, because when it was unveiled in 2019, it said 500 plus miles. So we definitely didn't get that spec from Tesla. And these prices are significantly more than what we were expecting from the 2019 unveil. Now, they are going to have a couple accessories already they've announced on the Learn More section of the Cybertruck website. First off, the light bar, which says installation is required, and you can see more than 5 football fields in front of you. I don't know, I'm gonna have to test that out before I believe that. That is ridiculous. 525 yards? That seems really far. So this light, I think, is just ridiculously bright. Also in those accessories is a base camp that fits 2 adults comfortably and pumps in minutes, it says. So there must be some sort of air mattress in this cyber-esque with all these angle tent that can go in the back of the Cybertruck. Now, if you were wondering, another thing that we were thinking about is it gonna have a spare tire? No, it is not, but you can purchase one and tie it down in the truck bed. But you can't have the spare tire, at least where Tesla depicts it in the picture, if you do have the range extender installed. So this offers the dual motor up to 470 miles of range, which does get close to the 500 miles that was promised at the Cybertruck unveiling. But you can see from this image here, it has to be installed separately by Tesla, and it doesn't look easily removable. Also, it takes up about a third of your truck bed, and looks like once it's in there for good until Tesla uninstalls it, and comes with a hefty price tag of about $16,000, although that's not officially from Tesla. That's just kind of what I've found on X. No official pricing for this range extender. This does seem like a nice option to have, especially if you have to pull heavy loads and have the option to have that extra battery. Now, a lot of extra costs here with the Cybertruck, but let's discuss some of the added features and see if that can justify the cost for you. Here's some things that we didn't know. So some of the things that we're discussing in this section previous to this delivery event haven't been confirmed by Tesla. Some of them were rumors out there. First is a first for Tesla, the powered front trunk. So this can actually open fully and close fully. Now, while the Cybertruck front trunk is really small, it still adds a lot of function. So I think that you could easily put groceries in here and make it really nice in terms of the usability of this front trunk, although it's not as huge as some of the other electric pickup trucks like the F-150 Lightning. Now, what I also like about this is how it's flat in the front, so you can easily kind of sit in that and do some frunk gating instead of tailgating. Although I wish they would have included at least one plug up here in the front. I think that could have been really useful for, let's say, a speaker or a grill or something like that. Although you can just go and walk to the back of the truck also. So at the unveiling, they had the Model S door handles that auto-present themselves and slide outward when you walk up to the car. They decided to do away with that because you had to cut holes in the side panel, and they deleted a part. So now you have these popping doors. So you can push the button, or if your phone is connected, similar to the Model X, it will pop the door when the car is able to triangulate your position. So some crossover here between the Cybertruck and the Model X. Although the Model X will fully present the door and open it for you, the Cybertruck will only pop the door open about 2 inches, so that way you can put your hand and pull the door the rest of the way open. This door is not motorized. It will not close for you like the Model X. Of course, also like we just mentioned, the range extender was something that we did not know about as well, but we've already covered that in detail. Again, a really good option for those planning on hauling trailers or heavy loads. Now, I've watched all of the other Cybertruck reviews that have been posted, and the most interesting thing that we did not see during the delivery event is this gear selector that is up here near the roof. So you actually have a capacitive button that is the hazard button, but then right next to that, you have your park, reverse, neutral, and drive, which I thought was really funny to be up there rather than near where like the gear stock typically is. A lot of people who actually got to drive the Cybertruck as well said the 4-wheel steering is incredible. It takes a little bit getting used to because the steering wheel actually, when you're at slow speeds in a parking lot, you don't have to turn around very far. So it's really nice to be able to turn the truck without taking your hands off the wheel or doing so many rotations of the wheel when you're in a parking lot. And actually, what's incredible, this huge truck has the same turning radius as a Model S because of this 4-wheel steering. Now let's go into my overall impressions. Despite somewhat disappointing price hikes, the Cybertruck impresses with its innovative features. There's definitely some trade-offs with the range extender in terms of extra price, its installation nuisances, and whether the extra 130 miles of range justifies that $16,000 investment. Additionally, I was hoping at the event that Tesla would talk more about pull-through V4 superchargers. They're doing a huge job expanding the supercharging network, but they didn't say anything about adding V4 superchargers that actually had multiple pull-through spots, because I think as more Cybertrucks hit the road, it's likely that people are going to be pulling a trailer or a camper, and so it'd be nice to have superchargers with those pull-through spots. Another huge feature Tesla failed to mention during the Cybertruck delivery event was vehicle to building, V2B or V2H, vehicle to home charging. So you can have this through the Tesla app. There's a Powershare page on Tesla's website, which actually shows that you're able to have continuous real power of 11.5 kilowatts going from the Cybertruck to back up your home. So you, if you already have the Powerwall, can use your existing charger, as long as you have the most updated charger, power your home with your Cybertruck. This is a huge feature that Tesla failed to mention during the delivery event. A really nice feature to mention because I think a lot of people are going to want something like this to power their home in the event of a power outage. So should you still buy one? For those who need a powerful truck, the Cybertruck offers remarkable value, even if it surpassed its initially quoted price. The current specs on a Cybertruck are going to be really hard to beat, even with other electric trucks out there. Now, as far as me personally, I'm definitely going to still purchase a Cybertruck. It just might not be initially or right now. I'm certainly not in a rush with this extra $30,000 price tag put on the dual motor version, the one that we would actually purchase. But I still think if I was going to buy a new truck today, it would definitely be the Cybertruck. I think over this coming year, we're going to see the ramp up of this production Cybertruck, and we're really going to get a lot of durability testing and more real world uses, people using this truck day in and day out. If you think the Cybertruck is hideous and you're interested in purchasing another Tesla, make sure you click the link down in the description and use my referral code to get special discounts from Tesla when you purchase S3, X, or Y. So what do you guys think of the Cybertruck? Are you impressed with the specs? Are you disappointed with the price? I want to hear from you. Leave a comment down below and I'll try to reply to every single one. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, see you in the next one.